Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to wrap up the local AI voice assistant. In previous two sessions, we laid the foundation. Today we'll implement the tool calling with a local LLM. This is the complete code for the voice control home assistant that runs completely on your local network. The first thing the code does is it imports all the required libraries. You can see things like Whisper, which is OpenAI's speech-to-text model. This runs locally on your machine. For setup, see the prior video. There's Ollama, which lets us run large language models on our own hardware. PiViz Lite controls the Viz smart bulbs over Wi-Fi. And then there's LangChain, which helps us format and send prompts to the AI. At the bottom of the imports, you'll also notice some custom files being loaded, like Audio 3, Web, YouTube, Weather, News, and Scene. These are helper files that handle specific features. Next up, we define three functions. These control the smart light bulb. The first one is turn on light, the second turns off the light, and the third changes color. Each of these functions connect to the light bulb using its IP address on our home network. We send a command, it waits for a second, and then closes the connection cleanly. After the light functions, we have a big list called Light Tools. This is where things start to get interesting. This list describes every action that AI is allowed to take, written in a format that AI can understand. It's basically AI's menu of options. It includes turning the lights on and off, changing color, searching the web, playing a YouTube video, getting the weather, and news. Each entry tells the AI what the function is called, what it does, and what information it needs to run it. Then we have a function called getResponse. This function takes user's original question and the result of whatever action was performed and sends both of them to Llama 3. This is the model running on Ollama on our local network. The model then writes a friendly, natural language reply, the kind of thing you would actually want to hear spoken out loud. Now we get to the main loop, which is the heart of the entire program. First, the program listens for the wake word. In this case, it's listening for us to say, "Okay, Amy." Once it hears that, it records 5 seconds of audio. That recording is then passed through Whisper, which converts our speech into text. It sends our transcribed text to Llama 3, along with the full list of tools we described earlier. The AI reads our request, decides which tool to use, and responds with a function call. For example, if we said turn on the light, the AI would respond by calling the turn on the light function. If we said search the web for latest football news, it will call the web search function with that query. The code then actually runs that function, gets the result, and sends both the original question and the result back to getResponse function. This function asks Llama 3 to write a natural response based on our question and the data. Finally, that reply is read out loud using the speak function. And that's the whole flow. You speak, Whisper hears it, Llama picks the right tool, the tool runs, Llama writes a reply, and it's spoken back to us. "Okay, Amy."
I am up.
"Turn off the entrance light."
Processing your request. The entrance light is now off.
"Okay, Amy."
I am up.
Turn on the entrance light.
Processing your request. The entrance light is now on.
Okay, Amy.
I am up.
Change the light color to sunset.
Processing your request. The lights have been changed to a beautiful sunset hue. It's like having a piece of the sky right in your home. Enjoy the warm glow.
Okay, Amy.
I am up.
Play With or Without You on YouTube.
Processing your request.
Okay, Amy.
I am up.
Get me top news today.
Processing your request. Here are today's top news headlines. It looks like there's some excitement in the NFL world with the 2026 draft, and also some celebrity drama going on between Megan Thee Stallion and Klay Thompson. In other news, ranking member Lofgren is speaking out about a Trump scheme to undermine science, and there's an update on the El Gamel family's immigration situation.
Okay, Amy.
I am up.
What's the weather like today?
Processing your request. Hey, I've got the latest on the weather for you. It's a pretty chilly day in New York City, with a temperature of 55 degrees Fahrenheit and a gentle breeze blowing at 14 kilometers per hour. Wrap up warm if you're heading out.
Okay, Amy.
I am up.
What is LangChain?
Processing your request. Here's what I found. LangChain is a software framework that helps connect large language models to applications. It's like a bridge between the models and the things they can do, like analyzing documents, summarizing text, building chatbots, and even looking at code. LangChain gives developers the tools to build, test, and use these AI agents in a reliable way. And the best part? It's open source, so anyone can use it.
You can write any number of functions and plug them into your AI assistant. This will enable your assistant to perform any number of tasks. If you find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.